Alright, so here's the new fender in all its glory. It's not great, but it's better than that. It's not going to be rusty, and it's not going to look like absolute garbage, even though it doesn't look great. So, I've already started by taking out the light. I'm hoping I can do this without taking off the bumper. I think I can, but I'm not 100% sure. So, we'll find out in a second, I think. But, let's get started getting this fender off. And now for the most annoying bolt, this one that's like right up there in the door jamb. It's nice. Alright, that should be everything. We'll just pull this away from here a little bit. First off, I'm going to try and lift it up on the front. Get out from behind the bumper. Oh! Yep, that hurt. That hurt a lot. Clean off my finger. I am bleeding everywhere. Alright, so you need to be careful when doing stuff like this, because I just cut the crap out of my finger. Obviously I'm not going to show my cut finger. But yeah, pulling that fender off, caught my finger on this guy right there, and it hurts pretty bad. So I think I'm going to postpone the rest of this install until the next time that I don't have a cut open finger. So sadly, this will be where it ends today, plus my camera's almost dead, so that wouldn't be very good. And I'm just going to kind of chill and drive the Lexus later on. Alright, so I actually just finished filming the update video that is going to go out before this video at some point, showing all my cars off. And I have a little bit of time today, so I'm going to see if we can possibly get the front bumper off in this thing before putting the new fender on. No, e-brake's on. Maybe not. Apparently I was up against something in the front there. Vum vum. So we'll see what that situation is like real quick. This thing has a bunch of leaves on it. It's got an acorn on the... Excuse me? Where'd all that come from? We'll see, because I think it's... I don't think I had the right tool last time for it. The Ranger sees daylight for the first time in like a month or so. So basically, the reason I can't, or well actually I think the last time I recorded was whenever I cut my finger open. So yeah, I cut my finger open, which was a while ago. And I bought a new fender, as you all know. And basically, the bumper here sits too close to where the fender goes in because it's screwed up and the bumper is not positioned correctly, I guess. You have to take the bumper off to get the fender on. So, I have to take the bumper off, at least on this side. And I don't remember exactly what tools I need for that. So good news, I found out I did actually have the tools required to take the bumper at least down a little bit, as you can tell. And the new fender is on, somewhat hooked up. It's got the bolts up here on top, as well as in the front here. So I'm gonna go around and put the rest of them on, and then I'll try and shine it up the best I can. And I think that'll be it. All right, so the fender is on, as you could tell. Everything's back together. I think the bumper is a little more off than it was before, but I don't care. So I'm gonna take this and get it cleaned up sometime soon. I don't know when, because it's kind of cold today. Try and shine it up a little bit, try and get that pinstripe off and put the badge back on, and then we will be done. And so this may be the end of the Ranger project and the Ranger in general. I actually have a possible trade coming up. I'm gonna trade in this truck, or not really trade in, but trade this truck and a little bit of money towards something a lot better and a lot nicer. Found on Craigslist, and I'll update you guys on that whenever that comes up. But that's mostly gonna happen tomorrow. So I think that's it for the Ranger. Final checkup, it's got an exhaust leak, a little bit of a squeaky belt or something in the front here. 198,000 miles, something or other. Oh, and it's still got this issue with the vacuum leak. But I can fix that pretty easily. Yeah, we're at 198,207 miles. That's about it. It's been a good little truck, but it's time to move on to something bigger and better. And so that's it. I'm going in a few minutes to drop off the Ranger and pick up what I traded it for. I ran through a puddle as well. Got my extra parts around the truck. There's some stuff in the back of the seat. I'm gonna grab the computer I had because I completely forgot about that. I actually found the Ranger badge that I had. Yeah, do I think I missed this truck? Maybe. But I think what I got coming is definitely a lot better. But I will update you guys one last time after it's gone. So, quick update. You can't hear my truck, but it's running. I got the exhaust fixed, as well as I got new tires in the back because the front tires are pretty worn down, so I put the back ones in the front and got new tires in the back. And this is it. This is the way the truck's going. The guy's coming to pick it up right now. We're gonna make the deal, and I'm gonna go home with a new truck. I'm excited. And there it goes. For the last time, I just bought it, and I may or may not be driving what I got in return. And so that is it. The Ranger is gone. I officially traded it. I have the other vehicle that I was talking about on various social media posts and also in this video a little bit. And I will reveal exactly what it is in a few days here sometime. I'll make a video whenever I can get around to it and it's not snowing. But yeah, I traded the Ranger in $500 and got a vehicle I'd say is much, much better, at least for the stuff that I want to do. And that's it. So the Ranger was around for 4 whole years and it's time for a new chapter. But anyways, that will conclude this long overdue video that I've been recording for the past 3 or 4 months, something like that, maybe, I don't know. And we'll be on to the new stuff soon, and hopefully you don't get too sad about me getting rid of the Ranger, but there's always more Rangers out there. That was really bright. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will have a little snippet of something from the new car, or not new car necessarily, after this clip. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'm out of here. See ya. Cold start. Perfect.